Prepping our face is the most important part of our beauty routine. If we don't prep our face and make it last forever, doesn't matter how much makeup or where you buy your makeup or what makeup you're using, your skin is going to pay for that. And today in this video, I'm going through on how I prepped my skin. So catch the full video below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And next time, grab your makeup bag and we'll do this together. I'm your girl, Kim. We'll catch you on the rebound. Hi everyone. We're gonna get ready this morning and we're gonna use our Miracle Set. This is our new formula and there are a couple of steps to it. One, basically our 4-in-1 cleanser. It will do 4 things. And then we're going to use our daytime cream, which is our defender. And then it has sunscreen in it. And then we're going to use our moisturizer. There's different steps in different ways, whether it's night or day. But today we're going to do the normal daytime routine. So I'm just going to start by getting my face wet and wash it. I'm not going to speak while this is going because of the water running, so let's get ready. I'm going to use our Skin Vigorate Sonic Brush. The reason I'm using that is because it helps get into my pores deep down and into any of my problem areas. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna get my face wet and I'm gonna get this wet and then I'm gonna put the actual 4-in-1 cleanser on my face. A good way to measure is just put it from your here to the tip of your finger. I'm using the combination because my skin is combination. Skin's Vigorate Sonic Brush has 1,000 little bristles and it's sonic, so it's like cleaning your jewelry. When you put it in a sonic cleaner, just high volume vibrates it and it does the same thing with your skin. Very lightly, don't push hard. If I was doing this directly over the sink with the water running, I would have rinsed it and it will shut off when it needs to. Always pat your skin dry. Don't rub it, don't pull it, just pat it. Let's talk a little bit about the 4-in-1 cleanser. What does that 4-in-1 cleanser do, right? The benefits of it are it cleanses, it exfoliates, it tones, and it freshens. So when you get done and you let it dry, you'll feel a little bit of a tingling and a cooling feeling, and that's good. That's what you're supposed to, because we don't rinse with cold water, so therefore we need to let our skin cool down from the hot water we use and then go ahead from there and go to our next step. So we're gonna go ahead, and the day cream, when you're doing the daytime, you always use the moisturizer next, okay? Good thing to remember is start with the thinnest and you work your way up. So the moisturizer basically is all you need, and we're gonna dab it. I'm not putting it anywhere around my eyes. You'll notice that I stay away from my eyes, and the reason is because this is not designed to be that close to your eyes. One of the things that I love to use is my massaging head that goes on my Skin Vigorate brush, but it's probably at my dressing table. So we are just gonna let it go. And then I am also going to get out our eye cream. I love to use the Repair eye cream because of the applicator and because of the ingredients. Your skin is so fragile around your eye. You see, I flipped this head around and massage it in and hydrate that skin because it's so dry. It's getting very dry nowadays because of the weather change here. So now we're going to follow up with so the moisturizer that I put on is going to hydrate my skin for 12 hours. So at nighttime, you're going to do it again. You're going to wash your face. You're going to put on you're going to cleanse it with the cleanser. And then you're going to use the nighttime recovery, which is full of little beads. You can see the little micro beads in there. When you squirt this onto your hand, because it's thinner, it goes right on your skin surface before your moisturizer. And then this will help recover your skin. Very lightweight. People love this. But we're going to go ahead and do our day. And I'm just going to do 2 pumps. This has our broad spectrum SPF of 30. And then when I go back over to our dressing, I will follow up. We'll fix our hair later. But that is our TimeWise Miracle Set. So let's talk about some of the benefits, all right? Not only did we use the 4-in-1 cleanser, but we also used the antioxidant moisturizer. And the antioxidant moisturizer is going to give you that hydration that you need. It doesn't add oil to your skin. It adds hydration. Okay, there's a difference, a really big difference. And because this is powered by our patent TimeWise 3D complex, which is in every ingredient or every product of that Miracle Set, it's going to support all of our skin's critical needs during the day and unique functions at the night. So it's going to help prevent our premature skin aging, which we really don't want, honestly. Then, of course, I followed it up with our Daytime Defender, which has the sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 30. You can use any one of the eye creams. We have our firming eye cream, we have our TimeWise eye cream, and we have our Repair eye cream. I prefer the Repair because of the benefits that are in it. And then, of course, you will see a difference in your skin, increased firmness, improved in your radiance. My skin is already around my eyes. You can see that it's getting hydrated already, just waiting for it like this. And that when it's ready to go over and put my makeup on, put my foundation and stuff on, it will be ready to absorb the foundation primer and prepare it for that. So it's always important to prep your skin properly before you try to put makeup on. Makeup is only there to protect your skin throughout the day. Your skincare is going to change your skin. It's going to help your skin become healthier. Do you love my yellow wall? I'm trying to figure out if that's the color I want. I'm trying to figure out what yellow I want. So you'll have to excuse that. So our Miracle Set, that is our TimeWise Miracle Set. It came in 4 pieces. It was our 4-in-1 cleanser. It had our moisturizer, antioxidant moisturizer, our day and our night defender. And then, of course, I used, as always, our Skin Sonic brush. I love our brush. I absolutely love it. Can't do without it. So stay tuned and we'll come right back. We'll finish our face. Hi, my friends. So here is my final look for the day. This is where I'm going. I'm going to put on some earrings and some jewelry. But this is the holiday palette and lip pencil. It is called this is the Velvet Lip Crayon and the holiday palette. Colors are just awesome. This is a very nice little palette. Looks gorgeous. I love the colors. So many different choices. So many ways you can wear these colors. Individually, put them all together, take and move them around. Today I used the pink diamonds with the Legacy Lilac and the Burgundy Crown. Yesterday I had on the iconic pink and the pink diamonds. Very simple, just quick and easy. And then I wore the pink, actually they call it the rose, and this is the velvet. It's much lighter, but I'm being bold today. So my friend, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. So anytime one of my videos are being uploaded, you will not miss out. So again, catch me tomorrow and I will see you again. Grab your makeup bag